Chicken wing, chicken wing, got some gold teeth and some chicken wing. What up, people? This is Bunjo, and I'm going to show you how to cook chicken wings in the oven that taste amazing with crispy skin, and there's no oil in it, so they're healthy. Now let's get into it. Now, a few ingredients you're going to want are the chicken wings, of course, mate. I like to use jalapeno, some Southwest chipotle. You can use some barbecue. You gotta use that cayenne, that's cayenne pepper. You can toss a little bit of a secret ingredient in, and some garlic town, boy. And that usually equals a little taste like Cajun almost. All these together. And obviously, you grab your mixing bowl. And you put, see this? You just put tin foil on there so it catches all your drip draps, you know what I mean? You don't want no dirty rack because it's easier to clean after. So you use that, baby boy. Now let's get this, now what I like to do is this. Cut it open, bang, bang. Now, they come like this. You don't really have to do anything with them at all. You don't have to cut them, but if you want to cut them, go ahead. These ones already have those that little shitty part at the end cut off, so it's beautiful. So let's get into this. So you're gonna want, for the batter, you're gonna want some brašno. That's flour in Croatian, brašno. You're gonna grab 2 of these. 2 big spoonfuls, maybe 3. We'll put 3 in there. Boom. Beauty. Like so. Beauty. Mix it. Mix it. I know what you're thinking. This is cocaine again, but it isn't. And then you grab this. A baking powder. And this has some sort of science to it, because it crisps the skin and keeps the moisture inside the meat, so it's nice and fall off the bony when you cook it. It's so beautiful. And this is a secret ingredient. Put baking powder, and don't confuse it with baking soda. Boom. You just put a little spoonful. Boom, that's it. And now this is all up for preference. You can just put salt in there, but I like to make it spicy, right? So I'm gonna put some cayenne pepper in it. Make it a little bit spicy rolly. I'm gonna use some chipotle. And I'm gonna use some jalapeno. This is jalapeno mix, so it has salt and everything in there. It's a beauty. And then I'm gonna go a little step further, put some garlic on there. You gotta have garlic on it. Gotta have garlic. Garlic's good with everything. Throw some garlic on there. And it's all preference, this mix. So this batter is basically preference. And that's paprika. This is paprika, onions, and garlic. So it's basically what I'm making is a Cajun. A homemade Cajun sauce, which isn't too hard. And really, I'll show you what else Cajun has. Oh yes, I do. So here's pepper. And there's white pepper. Boom. And now you mix it up until it's all intertwined, and you can't tell the difference between anybody. You know, like the future has in store for humanity. Everybody will be gray people. There'll be no racists. There'll be no white and blacks or nothing, if you believe in that. But I think white and black people have existed for years, so I think they always have their main color attached throughout the history of humanity. I don't know, who knows, right? I'm just a cooking. And then, so basically, I'm gonna roll up these little daddies here and get those little greasy buggers inside. Yuck, yuck. Ooh, you gonna get cooked. Throw it in. Dang. Now you mix that baby up. Use one hand. Try to keep one hand clean, okay, people? That's a little tip. Because you got to always touch things, right? And you don't want to keep washing your hands. And always wash your hands when you touch chicken. And don't cross-contaminate. That's bad for you. And it's beautiful, boys. So you got to try this shit. Ooh, I'm excited, man, to show you how good these turn out. And you want to leave a, like this, space in front. I'll show you guys how I tape it up. Tape it up. So I have 2 packs of chicken. Oh, I'm going to show you guys how this looks. So this is basically how it looks. Okay, how they're all nice and, ooh, baby, it's gonna be good. And now I'm gonna pop it in this oven. Yes, I just have a little oven here, if you want. Now I'm gonna pop it in here. So I'm gonna put them inside the oven like so. I got a little toaster oven. This is perfect for an apartment like I got. I'm gonna place it on about 180 degrees. I'm gonna put that on for 20 minutes. And then we're gonna come back and put the heat up high in about 15, 20 minutes, okay? And that's how you cook it. And the rest are in the bowl, ready to go. And as you can see, all my ingredients are sitting there. Beautiful. Now, trust me when I say these are magnificent. I haven't steered you wrong yet. So, try my wings. Ooh, try my wings. Yeah. Thank you. Now let's wait for them to cook. As I wait, I'm gonna have a nice pink drink. Radomski Gorice. It's I think it's from Poland. Yeah, I think it's a product of Poland. Slovenia, sorry. A product of Slovenia. So let me get into this. Let me dip it in. Whew. It's 10.5% alcohol. Yeah. Basically tastes like a harsh rosé wine, which isn't bad. Now let's wait till this gets, and by the time you see me, I'll be buzzed and ready to eat. Yeah. Now look at those babies. They're almost done there. They're getting crispy. Now let's close that up. They still got a few minutes to go. And then it's lunchtime. Now look at this. Beauty, that's beauty. And we got our other batch ready to go. And let's get them off the plate. I don't want to use these because they have rachiki on it. And we'll go like this. Guantanamero, I'm singing Guantanamero. Ooh, listen to that crispy, crunchy. So crispy. And let's move it over to here. Now, if you look right here, so now you can see the chicken here. Now let's cut this one open. See, now let's see if it's done. You can get the thermometer, but if you time it right, and you know what, basically, when you see all the powder, that's a raw one, and that is a cooked one. So you see the difference. So basically, when they all turn this color and all that color is gone, beautiful. That means it's a whole one. And you got perfect chicken wings. Now, I like this kind of sauce. or this kind of sauce, but on the side. I usually just like them like this because they're perfect like this, because they're nice and dry rubbed. Thanks for watching. This is Bunjo. You know what time of day it is. I'm always cooking. I'm always doing something, cooking up a madness, baby boy. This is my cooking show, and hopefully you like it. And hopefully you like these wings. There's no oil needed, no deep fryer, nothing in it. It tastes beautiful. Thanks. Let's get a dab of greatness on there. Some nice hottie hot sauce, Scotty too hottie, and let's get a reaction before I go. Oh my god, they're perfect. Oh my god, yes. Wow. Wow. You really outdone yourself this time, Bunjo. Thank you. Good. Perfectly moist, not dry, not overcooked. Perfect. Takes about 40 minutes after you do that little mixture. 40 minutes in the oven, 20 minutes on low heat, the other 20 minutes on high heat. And we did it, boys. Thanks for watching. Perfect chicken wing video.
This is the Bunjo Show. This is not your show. I traded the 905 for G-O-O-O. This is Bunjo Show.